Hey everybody, today we're going to look at a Salem 26D BUD by Forest River. Let's take a look.
Okay, right up front you will have a nice large pass-through storage, and your door here will also double as a dry erase board. So if you need to make your packing list, this is a great place for it. You have a nice large awning with LED lights, and you have an outside kitchen with a refrigerator and a griddle.
Cool.
Great, let's take a look on the inside. Coming up into this Salem, we'll start right here at the kitchen area. You're going to have a nice double sink in your island, your peninsula. Coming around, you have a 2-burner cooktop with an oven. Sorry, 3-burner cooktop.
With an oven.
Storage up above, microwave. Here is your air conditioning that is ducted. Storage below your sink. Right here you have a nice floor to ceiling pantry. Your entertainment center is going to be right here at an angle, and you have a sound bar and an electric fireplace that will give off heat. Down below you have some additional storage, great for kicking off your shoes. Coming around, you're going to have a Versa Lounge set up here. Nice sofa with a chaise in it that will jackknife down for some additional sleeping. Nice large windows all the way around. The back of this will come up and move to the other side so you can access your nice large U-shaped dinette. The dinette will also drop down to make one large sleeping area. You have storage below on both sides of your dinette with storage totes.
We did have 3 drawers back under here that was hidden. Nice big 12-volt fridge.
And even more storage. You can use this as an additional pantry, or you can also use it for storage if you have guests staying back here in your bunk area. You have very nice double over double bunks. These are both going to have USB access, and there is storage down below.
All right.
Here in the bathroom, you will see that this unit has 2 doors. This is great if your guests need to come in and don't come all the way through the camper. Jeremy's about 6 feet tall, has more than enough headroom. Nice large skylight up there for even more room. Your foot flush toilet is here in a great position. Right up here is your medicine cabinet that is mirrored. Nice sink below. And some open storage down below your sink. Okay, let's head to the front of your camper to show you the master bedroom. Up above, you're going to have some storage here, and you do have wardrobes on both sides. You'll see that it is open for access. You can charge your phones, or if you need to use a CPAP machine, you've got more than enough room, and there is electrical in there to plug those in. Super nice storage underneath. You will see that you can access this from the outside also. You have a hamper over here and these storage bins. This is a great use of space. And if you need even more space, they do give you a closet. Okay, this is a great family camper right up here. Additional TV hookups.
All right, folks, if you like this travel trailer, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us. Thanks, everybody.